Hi, in this video we will duplicate this design using simple Illustrator tools to get you started. For anyone new to Illustrator, please follow along and you will get hold of it. We start by choosing a page size. I chose a size as this and in landscape. Select the pen tool. If you can't see the pen tool, right-click on Shaper tool and you will find the pen tool. Double-click the pen tool and make the setting as this. It will give a smooth flow to the lines. Draw using this tool. By dragging and making a shape, you can try to match the shape as mine. I will make 4 to 5 shapes so we have a good shaded view. Even if you draw a regular shape, it tries to make it look curved, because of the setting we have kept earlier. Select all the lines and move it outside the sheet. Since my lines are in black color, I'll change them to white so it's visible. Now make a rectangle same size as the sheet. I have downloaded this color palette from Google. You can choose any of the colors you like. Make sure that the rectangle layer is at the back of the lines. Copy by selecting the whole thing and by holding the Alt key, drag it once. To copy it multiple times, use the shortcut Ctrl-D. Delete all the shapes and keep only one in a rectangle, as we will have one shape in each rectangle. Now select the rectangle and the shape. Make sure the rectangle is at the back and the line of the shape at front. Go to Object, Compound Path and make. Shortcut Ctrl-8 to make it compound path. After adding your choice of color, bring it to the sheet one by one. Make sure to bring it to front. Now we add the shadows to give it depth. The system becomes a bit slow when we apply shadow. Make sure the preview is on. To make the system work better, go to Document Raster setting and change the resolution to 72 while working. Once you are done working, change it to 300 and then save to get highest quality. Make any shape on top of this, and make clipping mask. Here we have our final look. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.